Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this ESFOE military smartwatch. 1.96-inch AMOLED roused outdoor smartwatch with heart rate, sleep monitor, and over 100 of sports modes which are available. And it's IP68 waterproof. It's a fitness watch by ESFOE. And this is a military grade smartwatch for men. It's compatible with Android operation system and of course iOS. We can use it as call and text messages, so we can use the Bluetooth function with it. But the 1.96-inch AMOLED HD screen makes it happen. That this smartwatch has a rectangular 1.96-inch AMOLED screen with 410 to 502 pixel resolution. The Pentile Matrix technology and the 450 nit brightness ensure clear vision, even in direct sunlight. The unique AOD clock function allows us to see the time without activating the display. The AMOLED screen outperforms traditional LCD displays in clarity, brightness, and energy efficiency. And we can make Bluetooth calls and voice assist use. This waterproof smartwatch is equipped with the latest Realtek processor, the 8763AW single chip, and the Bluetooth 5.0 dual mode combined with the advanced NLP, that means natural language processing AI algorithm. The intelligent voice assistant allows us to interact with the watch in a natural and comfortable way. This makes Bluetooth calls and play music on our breath, with the sound quality nearly at the HiFi level. And you can see we can easily replace or change the wristband easily, because there is an bolt which we can tool-free remove and attach. And it is an easy job, as you can see, and it only takes you, I think, 1 up to 2 minutes, and then your wristband is replaced. So you can use the silicone wristband, or you can use the stainless steel wristband for a dinner, for a lunch, or something else. And the silicone for outdoor activities, for example. And we have a military standard and IP68 waterproof level. The ESFOE AF4 military smartwatch has successfully passed 12 standard tests and complies with the strictest IP68 waterproof standards. By using special composite materials, a titanium alloy case, and a Corning Gorilla Glass screen, this tactical smartwatch offers outstanding features such as water resistant, 50 meters static water resistant, shock resistant, scratch resistant, and dust protection. Oh yeah! And you can see it's really easy to connect it to your phone. The only thing is you will need an app for it. The Cloud app Pro you download from iOS or Android store, then enable the Bluetooth function, add a new device, and then it will nearly automatically pair each other. Job's done. And then you can start and look for new faces. And you can look for a healthier way through the life. Because we have movement tracking and health monitoring. This fitness watch supports over 100 sports, and it can track our training time, heart rate, steps, distance to which we are traveled, and calories burned in real time. Thanks to the new AI motion algorithm, the EF4 can collect more precise data. Equipped with advanced optical RPG bio-tracking sensors, it also monitors the heart rate, the blood pressure, the oxygen saturation, and sleep time in real time. And we have more than 45 plus days of standby and a big bunch of compatibility. The ESFOE EF4 smartwatch is equipped with 100 pure cobalt battery military standard with a capacity of up to 380 milliamps which is 2 up to 3 times conventional smartwatches. The Realtek 8763EWE VP Super Chip and energy efficient AI algorithm, the energy efficient is maximized to allow unlimited standby time of 30 up to 60 days and daily use of 15 up to 20 days. Of course, if you're a heavy user, this can be faster to recharge. But it's really easy to recharge because you have a USB cable included, which comes with a magnetic inline connector. And then you dock this into the AC adapter from your smartphone, for example. And after this, it will dock each other in a glance. Then it will be reload the battery inside your smartwatch. And then it's compatible with Android 4.4 and iOS 8.0. And of course above that. And this makes it flexible, this makes it easy to use, and it looks really cool. It is a nice looking smartwatch. It's not the standard round finish or the round surface. No, it is a nice shape. And it looks really cool because it is an ESFOE military smartwatch for men. 1.96 inches AMOLED outdoor smartwatch with a lot of sensors. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.